Alright, so here are these, here are the heat pumps at the school grounds. Unfortunately, none of them are running. It looks like, I don't think that's frost, that's just, or is that frost? I don't know. Can't be frost, it's not even cold. Dang, wow, it's a lot of, in the fall, there's a lot of these things that get stuck in the coils in the fall. I noticed that last fall and I was pulling these things out. Well, that one was defrosting. Anyways, here are the heat pumps. Oh. I'm in luck. This one just turned on. Yep, and it's a heat bone. Nice. There's a reversing valve. LG scroll. It's a 17 3-ton. And yep, it's getting warm. First heat mode catch of the year. Awesome. See, it is cold enough. I was filming this, and then that turned on. Awesome. 2025 ton. This one hasn't been running, I don't think. Has this one? I don't think so. I don't think it has been running. Oh, wow, this is dirty. Oh, dang. Yeah. These ones, this one just turned on in heat mode. Yay. First heat mode catch of the year. Anyways, this one's 2017 3-ton. So reversing out. You scroll. As you already know. Yep. 3 tons. 2 3-tons, 1 5-ton. I think the 5-ton cools that one. That one cools that one. And this one cools that one. Remember back in July, I said those exact same things? This one cools that one cools that one, and this one cools that one. And then this one turned on. Like, remember that? This one cools that one cools that one, and this one cools that one. That's cool. So yeah, first heat mode catch of the year. That's cool. So anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.